Hello everyone, this is my review of the Headlight Restoration Cleaning Kit, and here's how it performed. Right out of the box, I was impressed by how comprehensive the kit felt. It included everything from a polishing sponge and cloth to a sealing agent that helps prevent future yellowing. Once I got to work, the results spoke for themselves. The kit transformed my headlights from dull and hazy to noticeably clearer. The before and after difference was night and day. Visibility improved, and the restored lenses looked fresh and renewed. Effective polishing action. The abrasive steps removed oxidation efficiently and prepared the surface for sealing. Protective finish included having a sealant made a big difference in maintaining the clarity. One thing to keep in mind, some elbow grease was required. Restoring heavily yellowed lenses took some time and effort to perfect. Overall, it's easy to use, effective, and delivers standout results, especially if you want to refresh headlights without expensive replacements. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.